My name is Richard Almstedt. I'm the department chair for kinesiology at Lone Star College, Kingwood. Coach. I have been an athlete my entire life. Was drafted by the Cincinnati Royals. Traveled the whole world playing professional basketball. Ended up in Houston, Texas as a graduate assistant at the University of Houston and was hired as the first basketball coach at Lone Star College. They found a heart murmur back when I was getting my physical for the NBA. And 20 years ago, my doctors told me what was causing my heart murmur, a prolapsed valve problem. Being an athlete and being in great shape, I didn't notice any side effects of having a prolapsed valve. But my cardiologist would always tell me that you'll know when it's time. And when it happened, I knew it was time. Shortness of breath, my heart rate was off the charts. And so I told my wife, we've got to get to the ER.
He has a condition that about 9% of the U.S. general population would have. It's called mitral valve prolapse.
When I first found out that I had this prolapsed valve problem, my cardiologist said the only way to fix it was open heart surgery.
He was told his valve may not be repaired. But when I evaluate his valve and look at the echocardiogram, I feel very confident I could repair his valve.
Dr. Liao had a very calming, reassuring personality the first time I met him. The first thing he said is, I'm going to repair your valve.
So this procedure is typically done and through open heart surgery, open sternum. We can do the surgery through a 2-inch incision through the rib space without disrupting any bony structure, without disrupting the chest wall integrity. That's what we did for him.
From the moment I walked in the door at Baylor St. Luke's, they made me feel like I was the only patient there. It was a tremendous group of talented people that took care of me.
Fortunately, with a minimally invasive approach and also with his baseline physical activity, and he was in a great shape to bounce back to his normal life, physical activity right away after surgery.
Ready for the first game coming up quick. You did well. Maybe you're better off playing on the road.
You know what? We were undefeated, so yeah, you know what? We were.
Look, if I catch the ball and step here and go here, that's a travel. So I've got to have my feet set. My recovery was rather quick and shocked me. I am back to where I was before. I feel a lot more invigorated than I did prior to the surgery. Have more energy than I did prior to the surgery. So I would just say thanks for everything you did to get me back there.